Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken wings. Yes, you heard me. It's a thing. Okay, so if you want to see how it's done, be sure to stay tuned. And if you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and let's make it. Okay, you already know the deal. You have to wash your chicken wings with lime, lemon, salt, vinegar, whatever you have, but you definitely need to clean it, okay? So I just finished cleaning mine, so I am going to add them in this bowl right here. And make sure they're dry. So what I'm doing right now is basically drying them and add them to the bowl. Okay, now we have all the chicken wings in the bowl. We're going to season it. I added salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and as well as some creole seasoning. Now, the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, they already have some flavor, so you don't want to add too much seasoning on this chicken wings, okay? Just season it very lightly because there's flavors on the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Get it? So now I am adding the creole seasoning, as you guys can see, and then I'll be using my hand to make sure all the seasoning mix up well together with the chicken. And then I'll put it on the side, let it sit for a little bit while we crushing our Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Yes, this is the bag. I am going to use the whole bag for it. I'm using a blender, so just add little by little. Don't add the whole bag in there, okay? Just add a little bit, blend it, take it out, do it again. It's a process, okay? Once they're done blending, this is how they look. They look nice and fine like a breadcrumbs, but it is hot Cheetos. Now it's time to fry your wings. I am going to add them in this hot oil. It is about 350 degrees, so I am going to add my chicken wings in there. I added about 5 chicken wings in there because it's a small fryer, and then we're going to let that cook for 7 minutes, okay? Do not overcook this because we're going to put it in the oven after, so cook it for only 7 minutes. Once it is done frying, it should look something like this. Now, it's not fully cooked yet, so do not eat this chicken. You will get sick. So now, I am using hot sauce, red hot sauce. I will leave the exact name or brand that I use down below, so check it out. All you have to do is add your chicken wings to the hot sauce and then shake it off, shake the excess hot sauce off, and then we're going to add it to our hot Cheetos, okay? It's like a egg wash, but not really. So yeah, just add it in there. Make sure you coat the chicken wing with the Flamin' Hot Cheetos really good, just like so. You can even squeeze it. Now do not use your hands for this, or use gloves, because this is hot honey. You do not want to touch it, okay? So just make sure you get all your hot Cheetos on the chicken, and then we'll put it on this baking rack for now. I am going to basically repeat the same step. It's a process, okay? Just continue doing the same thing over and over. And make sure you shake the excess hot sauce because you don't want to add it to your hot Cheetos. It's gonna make it kind of muddy, and basically you're gonna have to start over if it's too wet, okay? You want it to be nice and dry. So I am going to do it 2 at a time because this was pretty time consuming. I ain't gonna lie. keep on doing it over and over until you're done adding all your hot Cheetos onto your chicken wings. This is how they look once I was finished. I am going to bake it on 375 for 12 minutes, okay? This is how they look before I bake them. So I am baking them on 375 for 12 minutes, okay? Now it's the baking time. Once they're done, this is it. You have yourself Flamin hot Cheetos chicken wings. Yes, you guys, this is it. I am glad you guys enjoy watching this recipe. Be sure you give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful for me. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button for me, guys, because I'm coming through with these delicious recipes for you guys. So please help a sister out. Slap the thumbs up button, smash it. I don't know what you gotta do, but just hit it. And this is it, you guys. Of course, I have to break it open and show you guys how the inside look. This is it. It was pretty spicy though. I'm watching this and my mouth is watering. I want some right now. This is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe, leave your suggestion down below, and I will see you guys soon on my next one.